My mom and I have lost over 260 pounds combined with no loose skin. And we are going to tell you everything we wish we knew before our weight loss journey started to save you from having loose skin, doing Ozempic, and lots of other crazy drugs, and to just save you the pain and agony because you can learn from us and not have to go through all that agony.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
I wish I had known that over-exercising and under-eating actually harms you long-term and doesn't help you.
I wish I had known that green tea was not going to make you lose weight if you drank that plus other stuff.
I wish I had known that when you eat a ton of protein and fat, that it can cause insulin resistance and give you prediabetes.
I wish I knew that diet food is actually very toxic for you, and if you only eat that, you won't lose weight for that long, and you'll end up getting really sick and looking really sick.
I wish I knew how confronted my family and friends would be when I became so healthy.
I wish I knew that fast weight loss meant lots of loose skin.
I wish I could have told my mom, who died of severe obesity, that getting fit and healthy would be delicious, abundant, fun.
I wish I knew that being healthy would taste better than junk food.
I wish I knew that I would never miss white bread and French fries and ice cream because I could create them even better than the ones that were making me sick.
I wish I knew that you cannot outrun your fork.
I wish I knew and understood how little I need and how much energy I can have.
I wish I knew that over-exercising could make you gain weight. And overlifting could also make you gain weight, and too much protein and too much lifting can make you fat.
I wish I knew back in the day how to strategically use herbs and foods to completely optimize your immune system and your immune response and the functioning of my body. I actually feel a lot healthier now at almost 50 than I did when I was pregnant with you.
I wish I knew that smoothies could be calorie bombs or weight loss giving.
Right? That took a long time to figure out.
Really long time to figure out.
You gained a lot of weight drinking smoothies. It's like soft serve.
Don't do it.
No, some will make you lose weight.
Yeah, that's what I mean. You gotta learn which ones.
Yeah, if you want to know, comment down below. I just made a mint smoothie this morning that was epic.
And I made a blueberry smoothie this morning that was epic.
I wish I knew how much fun it was going to be.
I wish I knew that cooking was actually really fun.
I wish I knew that the person that I would become was different than the person that I was before I started the journey. Like it was a full-blown self-realization process.
I wish I knew that nothing tastes better than being thin feels.
Ooh, that's a good one. I wish I had known that exercise was going to be my gateway to freedom.
I wish I know that hydration could be fun and exciting and something you look forward to.
Right? I mean, that's just like mind-blowing. Just that idea.
Oh, same with walking. That walking could give you energy. Never thought walking would give me energy, ever.
I also wish I'd known that when I became a healthy weight, that people who were the same size that I was would hate me. And I was like, and now I'm kind of like, how can I like love them and let them know that I'm right there with them? I look at myself as actually the same person still. I wish I'd known that like actually it would take me a lot longer to see myself at the size I am now. Isn't that weird? Like you are the goal, let's say you are the goal weight, but you still see yourself 20 or 30 pounds heavier. Like that's such a crazy thing. It takes time for your brain and your emotions to catch up to what your body's actually doing. It's fascinating.
I wish I had known that extreme dieting was going to make me very ill mentally and physically.
I wish I had known that you can completely reverse diabetes type 2, cancer, and heart disease with what you choose on your plate.
I wish I had known you can reverse PCOS with exercise, hydration, sleep, and whole foods.
I wish I had known all of this so I could have saved my mom. And even knowing all of it, I couldn't save you.
Well, I wish that body positivity was not infiltrating my mind all the time.
And here's the thing. We started this channel because we wanted to share all of these gems with you. And it's really the true purpose and meaning. We don't make a ton of money. We spend a considerable amount of time making these videos, and we love it because we love you and we want to know you better. And so if you felt like there was some truth bombs and some gems in this video that you want to learn more about, we'd love to start a conversation with you below. We really care and we really want to know who you are. You're not just a like or a subscriber.
We answer all your comments.
Yeah, even the ones that disagree with us. Like there was someone the other day who was like, wait, what are you talking about? Like, you know, we're lying about loose skin. And it's actually, we're not misrepresenting. We actually don't have loose skin. We're not going to show you because we're not like that.
Because we're modest and we love our bodies and our bodies are temples and that's how it should be.
Yeah, we don't show like bathing suit pictures and stuff. It's just not our style. But regardless, we really only tell you things that are true. And we're not trying to create like, you know, false hope for anyone. We're really just sharing our story, and we hope that our story invokes hope in you. And so that's why we want you to subscribe to our channel. And that's why we want you to share this with someone if you think they can use it, because we believe there's hope and we believe the answers are embarrassingly simple. They're right in front of you, and we're here to support you along the way. So click the link in the description if any of this speaks to you, because we'd love to connect and know you more.
And if you're a woman and you're ready to lose weight once and for all and you don't want to make the mistakes that we have, you want to learn from us, please click the link in the description to join our women's weight loss group.
And if you just want to get the free skincare guide, that's there too. Lots of good info there that will save your life.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you all the time.
Hey, we noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed, which means you're watching our videos, you like the content, but you haven't made the commitment. So we would love it if you would subscribe. And if you want to join our Women's Accountability Group, don't forget to click the link in the description to join. We're only accepting amazing, awesome, and ready women, so please join if you're one of those. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you all the time.